Guys, we are going to the church. We are walking, going to the church. It's a Sunday today. Nakalabas na naman ako. Ang hangin ngayong araw. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nakakatamad lumabas kasi yung buhok ko ay naukay. It's a Sunday today. Let's have our Sunday Mass. The last Mass. We attend the last Mass. Ganda na ng ano, trim it. Dati hindi pa tumaano, taas na yun. Ganda ng halaman na to, parang pader. Hindi na makita. Madali lumago. Bakit po ito? 10 minutes walking to the church. Ang lakas ng hangin. Hangin next month ay mainit na, March na. Anong 50 lang, ma'am? Wala pa. Nearly start timing dating namin 6 o'clock yung start ng misa. Ganyan si Father. Si Father. Doon tayo.
Arceli Angeles, Lauro and Felipe John, Santiago, Hilario, Eugenio, Quirino, Petronila, Alfonso, Fernando, Erlinda, Norberto, Uson Sr., Delia, Nora, Fernando Sr., Emma, Firme Yao, Oderico Fernandez Sr., Angelina Fernandez, Gloria Montenegro, Sherlyn Diego, Milagros Cerdeña, Jesus Cerdeña, Jojo Cerdeña, Anthony Edvilano, Resurrection Martin, Teresita Tison, Tarita Roberto, Willie Yanto, Nar Dinovado, Brian Hernandez, and for all the souls in Purgatory. For the night, his father was. Jesus told his disciples the parable. Can a blind person guide a blind person? Will not both fall into it? No disciple is superior to the teacher. But when fully trained, every disciple will be like his teacher. Why do you notice the splinter in your brother's eye, but do not perceive the wooden beam in your own eye? How will you say to your brother, Brother, let me remove that splinter in your eye, when you do not even notice the wooden beam in your own? You hypocrite, remove the wooden beam from your eye first, then you will see clearly to remove the splinter in your brother's eye. A good tree does not bear rotten fruit, nor does a rotten tree bear good fruit. For every tree is known by its fruit. For people do not pick figs from thorn bushes, nor do they gather grapes from brambles. A good person out of the store of goodness in his heart produces good, but an evil person out of the store of evil produces evil. For from the fullness of the heart, the mouth speaks. Let us all rise for the opening.
For the brothers and sisters, pride is the root of evil. When we refuse to be humble, for the lives we fail to live in humility, we do not grant us peace and forgiveness. Together, I confess to Almighty God and to my brothers and sisters.
shaken, the hands of prayer. So do one spoke when one speaks. As the test of what the Father wants is in the furnace, so in tribulation is the test of the just. The fruit of a tree shows the care it has had. So too does one's speech disclose the bent of one's mind. Praise no one before he speaks, for it is then that people are tested. The word of the Lord. Praise be to God. Give thanks to the Lord, to sing praise to your name most high, to proclaim your kindness at dawn, and your faithfulness throughout the night. The just one shall flourish like a palm tree, like a cedar of Lebanon shall grow. That they are planted in the house of the Lord, shall flourish in the courts of God. They shall bear fruit even in old age, vigorous and sturdy shall they be, declaring how just is the Lord, my rock, in whom there is no wrong.